Naija don sign different MoUs with Portugal. Presido for Naija Muhammadu Buhari and Portuguese Prime Minister Antonio Costa don watch di signing of di MoU Memorandum of Understanding wey Naija and Portuguese Foreign Affairs Ministers don sign. Four of the MoU dey on political consultations, diplomatic training, research, exchange of information and documentation, cooperation in the field of women and girls development, culture and parliamentary affairs. Geoffrey Onyema wey be the Minister for Foreign Affairs come tok say Portugal na ogbonge member of the European Union and dem be baba for many things like renewable energy, IT and pharmaceuticals.
Are agreements that can actually form the basis and the foundation for coordinating all the agreements that we have. Portugal is a very important member of the European Union and is a leader in many fields, especially areas like renewable energy and pharmaceuticals and also IT. So it's a very important partner. What we have created really is really the framework for the institutionalization of this partnership between the two countries.
Sunday Dare wey be di Minister for Youth and Sport for Naija and Parliamentary Affairs of Portugal don sign di Memorandum of Understanding on Cooperation for Youth and Sport. Sunday Dare come chook mouth tok say dis collabo go help in youth and sport matter like mentoring, leadership and sports medicine, and dis collabo go bring major development for Naija.
Focus on youth will be to make sure there's an exchange program between the youth in Portugal and the youth in Nigeria, but also to leverage on the areas of entrepreneurship, the area of startups, the area of ICT and the digital economy. But also beyond that, to see how we can have youth in leadership and mentoring. When it comes to sports, we'll be partnering in the area of anti-doping. There's zero tolerance for doping in the world now. In the areas of sports medicine, which is a growing area of sports development. In the area of training for our coaches, for our athletes. This morning I was at Benfica. I met two vice presidents. We had a meeting. Benfica has agreed to come and set up an academy in Nigeria and bring coaches from here to train Nigerian youth in football. And I think that's a major development for us.
Before the agreement signing ceremony, Buhari come talk with the Naija delegation on one follow-up engagement wey dem don do with Antonio Costa sake of how dem fit strengthen the collabo and partnership. Dem come do one big ceremony to honour Presido Buhari and the ogbonge members of the Naija delegation wey Marcelo de Sousa wey be the Presido for Portugal do to thank dem sake of dem don dey wait for dis meeting for long. Buhari come describe the signing as one excellent foundation as e go help increase bilateral trade and come tok say im administration dey determined to collabo with Portugal. Marcelo de Sousa come tok say e dey confident with the collabo with Naija.
Nigeria wants to see trade diversified to non-oil products such as agriculture, power projects, renewable energy, and pharmaceuticals, where a lot could be achieved. We are also aware of the stalled negotiations to establish a direct air link to bring both countries closer. I assure you of our administration determination to make it happen.
Excellency, it's in this spirit, marked by confidence in the future and marked by the strong ties. Join me in drinking to the health and happiness of the President of Nigeria and the prosperity of the relations between Portugal and the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.